Hey, hey, floppy hat adventurers. Welcome to Patagonia. Please enjoy these views of Lago Argentino, which is the largest freshwater lake in Argentina. It covers over 326,000 acres, and its massive blue-green depths get their stunning colors from glacier-fed minerals which originate from the southern Patagonia ice field, which is the second largest contiguous ice field in the world. As we made our way from the popular tourist town of El Calife, we viewed towering snow-capped peaks scattered among the desert-like Patagonian steppe. All along the route, the views were simply spectacular. Mountain after mountain, forming the perfect backdrop to this beautiful turquoise lake. After entering the Parque Nacional Los Glaciares, we continued to follow the lake along windy roads, gazed upon magnificent vistas, until the main attraction appeared before us. And boy, was it a sight. It was awe-inspiring. And once we got in and made our way as close to the glacier as we could, we found some well-developed pathways, which we used to walk down and get really close to the glacier. It towered above us. It was amazing. Myself, Brandon, our dear friend Angela, and my mom, we really counted ourselves among the lucky few to gaze upon this incredible glacier, which is actually the world's third largest freshwater reserve. It was also named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1981, and it covers a massive 97 square miles. And at its greatest depth, it cuts nearly 2,300 feet below the water's surface. Glacier Perito Moreno is also one of only 3 glaciers in the world that grows rather than retreats. Yet as it grows, it loses proportional mass, ensuring equilibrium all year long, which is something glaciologists have yet to find a reason for. It is surrounded by towering mountains, forested hills, and of course the beautiful stillness of the lake itself. Big 3-story catamarans look like nothing more than little toys as they sail close to the glacier. Its imposing mass is one of the most impressive things we've ever seen. We were extremely lucky that day, as every March, only a few days each year, the weather conditions become just right for huge chunks of ice to break off from the glacier and come crashing down into the lake. Really, it takes your breath away. So please, enjoy these few minutes seeing the sights and hearing the sounds of this magnificent wonder of nature.
Ah! Oh my goodness!
Holy cow. That's incredible.
Shots.
I got some.
There's that other piece is gonna fall.
Yeah, that's a big chunk too.
That's incredible.
Were you filming that?
Yep. I got the whole thing.
You probably radioed him, but they know you're right. It's coming.
You can hear it constantly now.
Get it, get it! Oh my God! Yes! Yes!
Holy shit.
Yes! Did you get it?
I got the whole thing from beginning to end.
In the movie mode?
Yes, in the movie mode.
Yes!
Look at the ice.
They knew.
They knew. That's why they came racing back.
There's gonna be another piece that's on the right side.
Oh yeah, it is. They got to see it. Everybody on that boat, they must be screaming down there. Oh, that was incredible.
Incredible.
Yeah. Off the charts, I would say.
That was pretty. Look how it's sparkling. Only the top fell.
That was our icing. That was that one piece too we were talking about.
I missed the top, the very top coming.
Was that spectacular or what? Once the giant chunks fall off and float away, they live their lives as beautiful icebergs, just popping with color. They eventually melt back into the lake and the cycle continues. Thank you, my friends, for joining us in this once-in-a-lifetime adventure. We hope you've enjoyed the spectacular Glacier Perito Moreno.